Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Keisha Ashuramawa with my SID 33230095, and today I will be presenting about phonology, International Phonetic Association or IPA, and syllable. Let's do it. Okay. What is the IPA? Definition: the IPA is a universal system of phonetic notation created International Phonetic Association founded 1886 by Paul Passy. Function: the role of the system to provide a precise and unambiguous representation of every speech sound found in every human language. Principle: one symbol, one sound. Each IPS symbol represents a unique articulation, resolving the inconsistencies of standard spelling. Example: in sheep versus in massive. Next. Function of the numbers, the symbol categories. First, consonant. Function to represent sound with constriction, friction, complete stops in the vocal tract. 2. Vowels. Function to represent sound with a relatively open vocal tract, the core or nucleus of a syllable. 3. Diacritics. Function to show modification to the primary sound. Example: length, nasalization, and stress. Next, phoneme demonstration. Reading and example. The slide demonstrates the sound and provides 5 examples for 3 crucial English phonemes. Phoneme description: voiceless dental fricative, the in thin. Demonstration: reading the sound, pronounced the as in thing. The air comes out between the teeth and the tongue. Example words: first, thing; 2, 3, 3, odor; 4, path; 5, fourth. Next phoneme is s, voiceless postoveolar fricative, the s sound. Pronounced as in sheep, lips slightly forward. Example: first, sheep; second, machine; 3, pressure; 4, ocean; 5, s. And last phoneme is U, near open central vowel, the short U sound. Demonstration: reading the sound. Pronounce as in the cut. Keep your mouth relaxed. Like the example is: first, cut; second, fun; third, monkey; 4, blood; 5, enough. This is made by me and myself. Okay. Next, references for IPA. First, book 1, the Handbook of the International Phonetic Association. The author is International Phonetic Association Official Guide. Relevance: the definitive references for all symbols and their usage. Book 2, A Course in Phonetics. Author Peter Lake-Foege and Kate Johnson. Relevance: standard university textbook demonstrating the practical application of IPA. And last one is journal. Journal of the International Phonetic Association or GPA. Relevance: primary publication, search for new research on phonetic description and IPA updates. Next, what is a syllable? The definition first. A syllable is a unit of speech organization generally consisting of a vowel sound, the core, and one or more surrounding consonant sound. And second is function, the role of the unit. First one is rhythm. Establishes the rhythm matter of spoken language. Second, stress placement. It is the unit on which word stress falls, which is crucial for distinguishing word meaning. Next is function of the numbers, the structural parts. Next is the function of the numbers, the structural parts. The syllable is organized into key parts. First, necklace, and the mandatory core, usually a vowel function, carries the main sound and loudness. Second is onset. The consonants as before the necklace function initiates the syllable. And the last one is coda. C. The consonants as after the necklace, the function is closes the syllable. Next is the internal syllable structure, breaking down the syllable O and C. Rhyme. The combination of the necklace and coda, or N plus C. Example, in the word stand is onset necklace A, coda and rhyme and phonetics syllables are governed by phonetic rules, the specific rules of a language dictating which sound can appear in the onset or coda. Stand. Okay, next. Five original syllable structure example. Analyzing the rhythm of English. This table shows the structure of English words using C consonant and V vowel to represent the basic parts. The word is I, to, jump, stress about. IPR transcription like in the table. I, to, jump, stress, about. The syllable count is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the syllable structure for I, V, necklace only. For two, CV, consonant plus vowel. For jump, CVCC, or coda has two consonants. And for stress, CCC, complex onset, simple coda. And the last one is about. About is VCVCC. First syllable, necklace only. Second, complex. Next one. Okay, references for syllable structure. Book 1. Principles of Phonology. Order. And S. Trubetskoy. Classic text laying foundation for phonological structure. Relevance discusses the distinction between phonemes and the structure of phonological units like the syllable. Book 2, English Phonology, an Introduction. Author Stephen Scooby. Relevance provides modern analysis of English phonetics and how onset, necklace, and coda interact in the language. And the last one is journal. Journal Linguistic Inquiry, or similar to linguistic journal. Their relevance, look for articles focusing on prosodic structure or metrical theory, which deal directly with syllable weight and stress. And next we move to part 2, case study. Okay, first one is analyzes the case study A. 3 example of assimilation from the sentence. I forget to uh, forget to the sentence. And 3 example of assimilation. First example is I'm gonna check the projector. Explanation. Gonna is an informal form of going to. This transition from to an or the omission of t and vowel changes often involve assimilation, where sound become easier to pronounce in sequence when speaking quickly. Gonna. Example 2. I'll kinda help you later. Explanation. The change from kind of to kinda or kind indicates an adjustment. The consonant D is often omitted at the end of a word when it is followed by another consonant or an unstressed vowel, making articulation easier. The sound becomes more similar to its surrounding in terms of articulation. Example 3. Wanna play. Explanation from want to wanna. The omission of t and the change of the vowel u to merge the words want and to, and this adjustment makes speech easier. Next, 3 example of metasis. Example 1. Saying ask instead of ask. Explanation. The sound ask change to ask. This change is purely metasis. No sounds are lost or added. Only their position change. And example 2. Saying paschetti instead of spaghetti. Explanation. The order of the consonant S and P at the beginning of the word spaghetti it is reversed to P, and S at the beginning of the word paschetti. This phenomenon is common among children or in certain dialect. Next. In 3 examples of metasis, there are only 2 examples in that sentence. Next, for example of epitasis. Example 1. Saying film instead of film. Explanation. The addition of a vowel sound, usually u or u, between the consonant I and M to break up the consonant cluster and make pronunciation easier. Film, or film. This vowel epitasis. Example 2. Saying animal instead of animal. Explanation. The pronunciation animal changed to animal, although this is often considered a vowel change. If the unstressed vowel u becomes a full vowel u, the purpose is the same, to add strength to the sound. This is a more obvious form, the sound addition at the end of a syllable, epitasis. Grandma, and instead grandma. This is not epitasis or epitasis. This is deletion or omission or elision. The D sound in the middle of the word is omitted. And this example, there are only 2 examples in that sentence. Next, we move to case study B. Phonetic transcription or IPA. Okay, let's read this word. First is comfortable. 2. Probable. 3. accommodate. 4. Massive. 5. Governor. 6. Texture. 7. Athlete. 8. Experience. 9. Gladiator. 10. Happening. 11. Generation. 12. Moderate. 13. Surface. 14. Intensity. 15. 15. Category. 16. Intricate. 17. Department. 18. Gratitude. 19. Ethical, and the last one is 20. Spontaneous. Okay, next we move to analysis the case study C. And this is the sentence of the case study, and I think I'm not reading it because it's a really full of screen. And we move to the analysis the case study C. 3 examples of stress preserving suffix from that sentence. Word first, hopeful. Best word, stress is hope. New word, stress, hopeful. Suffix, full. Next word, careless. Best word is care. New word is careless, and the suffix is less. So, careless. Darkness. The best word is dark, and the new word is darkness, and the suffix is ness. So, darkness. Next, 3 examples of stress attracting suffixes. Word is education. Original stress, education. New word, stress, shun. Attract stress to the preceding syllable, ca. Suffix is shun. Next is musician. Original stress, musician. Ian. Attract stress to the preceding syllable c. Suffix ian. Word geology. Original stress is geology. New word is logy. Attracts stress to the preceding syllable o. Logy. So geology. And next, 4 examples of stress shifting suffixes. Word is democratic. Best word is democrat. New word is democratic. The suffix is ic, each. Next, economic. Best word is economy. New word is economic, and the suffix is ic. Next is photographic. Best word is photograph. New word is photographic. Suffix is ic, photographic. Next is academic. Best word is academy. New word is academic. Suffix ic, or so academic. And thank you for listen my presentation. I'm sorry and thank you. Bye bye.